Here's how to add automatic captions in Canva Mobile completely for free. First, on Canva's homepage we tap on the plus symbol at the bottom. Then we select one of the video templates, in this case we will go with Video 1080p. Now to get rid of this screen right here, we simply swipe down with one finger from the top of the screen. You should now have a blank video project in front of you. The next thing you want to do is to upload or import your video. To do so, at the bottom, we swipe and we go to Uploads. Then, if you would like to upload a video from your camera roll, for example, you can tap on Upload Files on top. As I've already done that in my case, I simply switch over to the Videos tab right here. And in your case, if you did just upload a video, once uploaded, it will also become visible here in the Videos tab as well. So now we tap on the video that we would like to use to select it. Now we long tap on the video because we want to maximize the video. And at the bottom, we then select Set Video as Background. Now to add subtitles or captions to your video on Canva Mobile, at the bottom look for text. And tap on it. You should then see the option Captions. If you don't see this option here yet, then you might just need to wait a little bit. Especially if you just uploaded a new video, Canva needs some time to process your video and it can take some time until Captions pops up here. Once it does though, simply tap on it, then select the videos to caption. In our case here at the bottom, we can see that our video is already ticked, so we're good to go. So to finalize the process, we simply tap on Generate Captions. And this will immediately auto-generate captions for our video. And that's it pretty much. As you can see, we now have captions in our video. To reposition the captions if necessary, simply tap on the caption and then just move it to the desired place. And that's it. This is how you add captions and subtitles on Canva Mobile completely for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.